Hi everybody, Holly here from HolliDay AnyDay. And over the holidays, I'm always looking for some interesting kind of condiments and just interesting sauces and things like that, just to try something new. So recently I was looking around and I found something that I thought was kind of interesting, and it was a blueberry cranberry chutney. And you could serve it with chicken or turkey, sure, that's great, but I think it would be fabulous on a cheese plate. So let me show you how to make it. We're gonna start with, I'm gonna mince some fresh sage. That's one of the little tricky things that's in it. It's got fresh sage, blueberries, cranberries, ginger, and orange. But let's chop up some sage real quick. It just gives it a really interesting little savory note. I mean, I think it's probably gonna be a staple on my cheese plates from now on. So we're just gonna make a quick little chiffonade of our sage. With a quick dice. Look at this gorgeous new knife I got. Isn't that fabulous? Just got it on Food 52. Just beautiful. I had to show it to everybody. Okay, so we'll give this guy a little quick chop. Okay. Then why don't we go ahead, I'm gonna take my copper pot, some fresh blueberries. Actually, they aren't fresh blueberries, sorry, frozen blueberries. Make your life easy. Cranberries, now these are fresh because it's this time of year. Frozen would be fine. Sugar. Fresh orange juice. Give it a little bit of salt. And you really need the salt. Don't forget the salt. And some minced fresh ginger. Okay. Then let's go ahead and add in our sage that we just chopped up. Then we're going to zest about an orange. One orange. That should about do it. Okay. Give it a quick stir. And we're gonna take it over to the stove. Okay, we're gonna pop this on the stove. Let's put it over, I'm gonna do a medium-high flame. And we're just gonna go ahead and stir it up. We're gonna warm it up and bring it to a simmer. And then we're gonna simmer it for about 12 or 15 minutes till it starts to thicken and the cranberries start to release their pectin, and it'll make it a little bit thicker. Look how pretty this is. It's all caramelized and beautiful. Okay, so in just a matter of maybe a minute, it's brought itself up to a bit of a boil. You can see right here. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reduce it to a simmer and let it simmer away 12 to 15 minutes till it thickens a little bit. Okay, these have been going about 12-15 minutes. And what I'm gonna do, and it never calls for doing this, but I like it better, is I'm gonna take my potato masher and mash them a little bit. It just helps break them up a little and make them just work a little better. It just helps break down the cranberries. The blueberries don't need any breaking down. But the cranberries can use a little bit of breaking down. So just give it a few little scrunches there. And then we're gonna take it off the heat and we need to let it set aside, and it's gonna get a little bit thicker, but let's set it aside and then I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna present it, okay? Hey guys, so my blueberry cranberry chutney is all cooled off. Now, like I mentioned, we can totally use this with turkey or chicken or whatever, but I think it's the star of the show on a cheese plate. So check this out. I've got some manchego, I've got some cheddar, I've got some pears, and we're gonna decorate with some sage since there's sage in this. So let's give it a taste because I think this is perfect, perfect, perfect. It's kind of, with that sage in there and the salt, it makes it a little bit savory. Oh, it's so good. Make this. It'll be good in the fridge for like a week. And just make it ahead, pull it out, put it with your favorite cheese plate. It'll make it kind of fancy. So let's have a sip. Cheers. It's easy breezy.